here at the pre-party in the Brooklyn Academy of Music, and I want to live stream because someone asked me to try to live stream. Well, not everyone has arrived yet. I just want to give you guys a good feel on how everything looks. We got deers here. This is my seat. Where are you ladies from? I'm going live.
I'm from Hawaii.
Hi. Okay. Hi, where are you from? Oh wow, and you? Yeah. Ah.
Iceland.
Iceland? Wow. I'm going live, guys. Where are you from? California. Where are you ladies from?
Originally from Kazakhstan.
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so good to see you! I'm from Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico, but I live in New York now.
I live Florida. Oh! Yes, girl. Where are you from? Oh, Prague? Beautiful. Oh my god, I love your outfit. I'm from Puerto Rico, but I live in Florida. Wow, guys, look at these cakes. Oh my god.
I'm moldy.
Hello everybody, live from the pre-party. Hi! Where are you? I'm doing great. How are you ladies doing? Philippines, yeah! Right? I love it. I love it. So good to see you here. Oh my God, I love your shirts. Show me, ladies. girl. Look at that. Arizona representing. Hi. Also Arizona? Oh. Aww. What are those?
Pea carrot weenies.
Pea carrot peenies. Guys, look at this mini food. It was delicious? Okay. Wow. Wow, that is delicious. Thank you. Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico?
Yes.
Oh, awesome. You know what? My husband's from Puerto Rico. No, never mind. He's Philippine. It was a pea country.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm so embarrassed. I'm so sorry.
Don't worry.
I have a friend from Puerto Rico though. Oh yeah, she's from
No, thank you. Oh, Maria, I wish you guys were here. Danielia, you too. I'm not sure what these gifts are for. Maybe it's a raffle? Guys, a raffle. Can you imagine what's in there? I just want to peek. Oh my God. This is where I'm sitting, guys. It's my wine. It's pretty good. I know, right, Gina? Daniela, you're making me feel so special. The pre-party is really nice, but it's limited seating. So a lot of people are sitting on the stage, and I guess we can sing later on. But there's not enough seats for everyone because they want people to walk through the place and not fall. It's a fall hazard. You're welcome, Anna. Right? It is pretty. You should have seen downstairs. Let me see if I can go downstairs since my seats are saved. They're giving out gift bags to everyone. And those who bought the pre-party for 131, we got a gold band for alcohol. I have no idea. I'm gonna ask. Do we exit here?
Yeah, you can access the lobby from here.
Go this way. Guys, I'm a little airhead right here. Ooh, spooky. All right, so I'm gonna see if there's anyone else in the front. Oh my God, a little eerie down here. Hi, Leo. It looks really nice. I can't imagine how much it costs to even rent out this place, especially in New York. It's crazy. Oh, well, that doesn't look pretty. Okay, floor 1, get ready, guys. I am in Brooklyn at the pre-party. And so this is the... These are all the deers. They're all in line. They have yet to go upstairs. Oh my goodness, guys. So, so the line, it starts here and it goes all the way around. Look at all these amazing deers. Oh my God, I wonder if we're gonna even have space. Is there gonna be another floor? Hi! Oh, I tried. I know, I said I was gonna wear white pants and some black boots, guys. Arecibo. I have no idea. I've been trying to keep any negativity and only positivity. All about positive. I hope you... It's beautiful. It's so good to see you here. Oh my God, look how beautiful she looks. Look at that dress. Woo! So beautiful. My God. Oh my God, Gia looking beautiful. Oh, girl, look at her, guys. She's going all out. Oh, thank you, and I'm doing my best. Hi. Everyone's looking so beautiful. They really dressed up. Wow. Oh my God, a little girl. I should have brought my kids, guys. I have an 8-year-old and a 7-year-old. So that's the line. This is downstairs. And I think they ran out of headbands, but they're handing out glow sticks. They're handing out hearts. You see that amazing flag right there? Yeah, you see that? They're gonna throw it in a raffle. Oh my God. So I wrote my name. Oh, this must be the second page, but they're gonna throw your name in the raffle, and whoever they pick will get that amazing blanket. It's amazing. I love the bag too. Look at all these beautiful ladies doing the best that they can. Hi, I'm going live. Hi. You're welcome. They're working so hard, and you know, they're downstairs when really these amazing women should be upstairs. But look what they do for these deers. Look what they do. Who knows if the wine will be gone by the time they go upstairs, but they're doing everything for everyone at the pre-party. You ladies look, oh my God, amazing. Hi, nice to meet you. My God, Gia, yes, you look, girl, my goodness. You're gonna dance for us? Yes, guys, she's gonna dance for us. I'm gonna go live with that. Now, since I showed you downstairs, wow, everybody brought gifts? Ooh. Hi, hi. Wow, just look at the coats that they're wearing, the Kazakhstan design. Hi there. All right, and then this is where we go upstairs. Don't look all that pretty down here, but... Oh my God, Ellen, hurry up and get over here. They playing my song. I gotta go up there, guys. Look at that coat. Woo! Oh, man, me too. I wish you guys were here. Oh, you know what I did? I forgot to turn the phone sideways so everyone could see it bigger. Oh gosh. You're welcome, Lisa. Oh, what they do? A commercial? Oh, they're using YouTube. No! How dare they? I'm gonna sit down, guys. Alrighty, looks like not much has started except just lots of deers talking and getting to know each other. But I think once everyone is enrolled downstairs, then that's when everything's gonna happen, because you see that right there? Yeah. I wanna know who's gonna take the stage. Hi, Barbara.
We're crazy.
No, we're not crazy. We're deers.
Oh, goodness. Oh, my God. Oh, that's sad. Isn't that weird that somebody was...
Let me see if I can turn it to the side.
And so he tried to fight him and they just...
Okay, so in order for me to, I did the same mistake yesterday. I have to end the live and redo the live. We'll start all over. Yes, there are fans from Toronto, Canada. There is. I haven't gone through every table because I don't want to disturb them, but I have recorded a whole bunch of people. And sometimes on their name tags too, it's written where they're from. I'm gonna go ahead and end the live, and I'm gonna begin in a couple minutes, okay, ladies and gentlemen?